You've probably driven by our church several times, and you may have noticed this funny structure out in front. It's actually a bell tower. When this church was established, Mayflower Congregational United Church of Christ, in 1960, and when they purchased the property that we have our building on right now, they wanted to honor the heritage of this congregation. So they took the bell tower from First Congregational Church, which stood on North 27th Street in downtown Billings from the early 1800s until the 1950s when they renovated it. And in the renovation of First Congregational Church, there was no room for this bell tower. So the folks at Mayflower said, hey, we'll take it, and we will put it on our property to honor our history and to remember where we came from. And so that's what you see, this iconic bell tower on the front of our property.